Hi, this is Bob Cristello, and I hope you enjoy this video. In this video, we're going to look at how to enhance our WordPress blog with some very cool plugins. And we're going to use www.tweetclean.com, which is my service that allows us to provide 100% WordPress compatible blogs to users for free using their own subdomains. And it happens to be a Twitter-friendly system, but it can also be used for regular blogs as well. And we're using our cool blog, so the coolblog.tweetclean.com. This is a site we've been working on for about an hour and a half. And as you can see in our site admin, we now have 68 posts, all done on autopilot. We've only clicked a few buttons, and our website is being populated with data from RSS feeds at Google. And we've learned how to embed YouTube videos into our website so that we can give our users some really cool content as far as videos. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use some plugins. And these plugins are available for you from WordPress for your own website, or they're already installed for you here on TweetClean. And you can ask us to install new plugins for you if you want them. First one we're going to look at is the WP Cumulus. We're going to activate it. We're going to come to our appearance plugins for widgets, and we're going to take out that text tag cloud that we've been using, and now we're going to add the WP Cumulus, and we're going to just set a few settings like 200 by 200, save it. And when we come back out to our website, now our tags are in this very cool Flash system. And if we track down Facebook and click on it, then it brings us to all the Facebook articles that we have on our website. Another very cool feature for Twitter users, and the next few are just for Twitter users, is we have a follow me, and in the settings for the follow me, all you have to do is put in your TweetClean profile URL, select your bird and your position, save the changes, and when we come out back to the cool blog, on every page now you will see a follow me, which brings people right to your profile so they can follow you. Another cool plugin for Twitter users is the Twitter Widget Pro. We activate it. We're going to come down and we're going to drop this Twitter Widget Pro into our sidebar. So right under our categories, let's say, and we put in our username and how many tweets we'd like to display, and we save it. And when we come back out to our website, there you have your last 10 tweets. You can even specify whether or not your replies get posted, but this is another way for you to give dynamic content to your website, and we all know that search engines love websites that have dynamic content, and they give us better page rank and better listings. Another cool Twitter plugin that we have is the WP to Twitter. Now let's just take a look at this for a minute. We're going to activate it, and we're going to set up some settings. The first setting that we need is our URL shortener. Now I like to use bit.ly, and bit.ly provides us on our home page, like it shows us how many people are clicking on our links that we're posting out on Twitter, which is very cool. And we come to our account, we very quickly grab the API key, we copy it, and we paste it here into our bit.ly API key, give it our bit.ly username, and we're going to save the key. We're also going to specify now that we're going to use bit.ly as our URL shortener. And now we give it our TweetClean username, our TweetClean password, so that we can access our Twitter account. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to put a new post out there. And add a new post. This is my test post. Testing posting from my blog to Twitter. And we're going to put that in the uncategorized postings. And we're going to quickly publish that. So it's been published. There's our article, whatever our article happens to be. But the really cool feature is now if we go to our Twitter page, we see that there's a new test post using a URL shortener. You click on it and it brings people from Twitter to your blog. And as we all know, getting people to our blog from social networking sites is a very cool feature. So that brings us to my final one, which is a great little plugin called Sociable. And now this is not Twitter specific. This allows us to have, let's see, Sociable. This allows us to have all sorts of posting options. Like, for example, down here, there should be one for email. Let's see, print, dig, Spin, Delicious, Facebook, Google, you know, friend feed, if you want to put your friend feed in there. I think it's got MySpace. Here's MySpace, so we put our MySpace in there. And here's the email option. And basically what this does is, you know, you put as much in there as you want. And where do we want it? We want it in blog posts. We want it in blog pages. You know, we may put in some code here for the message, and then we're gonna save our changes. Now, what does that give us? This gives us the ability now to, in our articles, there is the share and enjoy, and people can email this link to their friends. They can publish it to Facebook. So like I have a Facebook account, so I'm going to share it, and that's automatically out on Facebook now, and people can get to it by clicking on the link. And this is not just for us, this is for all our surfers on our site. It gives them the chance to share this with all their friends on all their social networks. So it's a very cool plugin. As I said, we have many plugins. Plugins are a way for you to quickly make your WordPress look very cool, and you can use these techniques in your own WordPress blog, in blogs that you create through wordpress.com, or if you happen to want to come over here to tweetclean.com and open up your own blog, we'd love to have you. I hope to see you soon, and we'll talk to you in our next lesson.